Hey guys, Jerica again. One more really quick live video of red dresses for the Red Hot Charity Ball that is coming up super quick. So once again, I pulled dresses that are under $200 or mostly under $200. That way you know that there's something that is affordable and quick and easy for you to come get. So the first one is this one right here. It is just a really nice fitted jersey. It has some silver and pearls on the neckline straps here. It is kind of like a V neckline kind of right here, but it is stitched together. And then there's the back of it, just really basic. It is a size 2 and it's $75. This next one, we have multiple sizes of this. So this one specifically is a size 2, but I think we have all the way up to an 8 in this one. So just know that there are multiples, and that if this isn't your size, we could possibly have your size other ways. So anyways, this is just really nice basic chiffon. It is a deep V neckline in the front and the back, but it's super cute and it looks like it'd be super comfortable. This one, like I said, specifically is a size 2 and it's $75. It is also brand new. So we have multiples of these and they're all brand new. And they're all the same price. So this next one looks so good on, and I can't even explain to you guys how good this one actually looks on. It's just a really nice and simple basic satin. And we have plenty of belts to add to it, that if you want something to add a little sparkle to it, we have so many belts that it's crazy. So we definitely have that option for you guys. Here's the back of it, just really nice and basic satin. It's just stunning. It does have a small train, so just know that. And it is one shouldered here. It's a size 4 and it's $125. It retailed for $250, so $125 is our price on that one. This next one is a little more of a burgundy shade, but it still falls in that red hot, and it's a little hard to show you guys on the hanger what this does, but it's a V neckline in the front, and it has a lot of straps crossing different ways in different directions. It does have a train on it, so just know that, but it's absolutely stunning, and like the back is going to be all crisscrossed too. So this is one that you're definitely going to have to come see. I do believe it is on our website, so it's a size 4 and it's $75. So go check our website for this one, especially to see what it looks like on. This next one, the next two are pretty similar. They are a jersey fit on the bottom, and then they have this really nice beaded illusion neckline, which is super cute. The back of this one is completely illusion with beading. It's super cute. And it does have a split in the front too. It is a size 6. It retailed for $300 and we have it for $155. The next one, like I said, is pretty similar. It just doesn't have the illusion as far down, and the beading just a little bit different, but it does have that red and silver beading, and then the back of it doesn't have any beading, but the illusion is only like half your back. But this one does have a beaded belt, so that changes things too. It is just that same really nice jersey fit. It is a size 8 and it's $78. The next one here, this is another one that we have multiples of, and this one actually is shorts underneath. So when you lift up all the chiffon layers, it is a little pair of shorts underneath there. But it's super cute, and that's going to be super comfortable for your night, and it doesn't look like they're shorts, so it's still really nice and dressy. It has a little bit of a bell sleeve, but it is a deep V in the front and the back, and it does have this little tie back here to hold it on the shoulders. It is another one of these that we could totally add a belt to and give it a little bit extra glitz. It is a size 8, it's also brand new, and this is only $50. So this one specifically is an 8. I do believe that everything we have in this one is somewhere between an 8 and a 10, but there are multiples of these too. This next one that I have is a little more glitzy, so if you're someone that wants a little more sparkle for your night, it is fully beaded on the bodice. It is a 2-piece, and the waistline is also beaded. The bottom of the skirt here is that kind of taffeta shiny fabric, but it is super cute. The back of it is a deep scoop neckline in the back, but the skirt's just nice and basic. It is a Sherry heel, size 10. It retailed for $350 and we have it for $199. Alright, this next one is another 2-piece. This one is a little different because it has the lace on it, but it also has AB stones. Super cute, does have straps. Really basic back, and then the bottom is just this really nice chiffon skirt It's going to be super comfortable once again. It's a size 10 and it's $155. Alright, this next one, if you are someone that wants sleeves, I wanted to make sure I pulled this one for you because it's super cute. And it gets overlooked, I feel like, but it's just really nice and shiny red fabric. It does have this little piece right here. It is a V neckline, but you can always pin it up depending on how high you want it to be. And then the back of it's just really nice and simple, but it looks really good on, and I feel like people pass it up, so I wanted to make sure you guys know that this is a really cute dress, and make sure you come try it on. It's a size 12 and it's $80. Okay. This next one is another just kind of basic one, but it's also really cute, and it's another one of those that are gonna shape your curves for you. It is just really cut that way to give you those curves. It is a V neckline in the back, but it is kind of more of a halter neckline as far as where it hits you on the straps. The back of it does have a cutout here, and it is a size 12 and it's $58. Alright, this next one is a little more of the deeper red shade. It's super cute too though because it has all these little lace embroideries all over them. It is a V neckline with a modesty insert here, and then the back of it continues that lace theme. It is a size 16 and it's $145. It's also brand new. This next one is so pretty, and I could not believe the price point on this one. It's absolutely stunning for this price point, and so that's really amazing if this is something that you're looking for. It has this lace look to it with all these little sequins all over it, and it does have these sleeves. It does have a little bit of a train on the back here. It's got this tulle skirt at the bottom. It's absolutely stunning too though, and I love it. I actually really love this dress. It is a size 18. It's also brand new and it's $175. Alright, this one is a Milano. It is just a nice basic red chiffon with some beading on the bottom, on the waistline. This is actually one that we can order for you all. It takes about a week to come in, so you need to come in like right now and try to get it. But this one specifically that we have in stock is a size 20 and it's $160. So that's always an option, is this really nice basic chiffon. So everything that I just showed you is under $200, and so that's a really good price point for these charity balls. And keep in mind that we do have so much more red from where this came from, and so definitely come and see us if you're looking for that red hot for the charity ball, or if you just want a red dress for your next event. Be sure to come and see us. We have plenty to pick from, and we'd be happy to help you find something perfect for you. So please come and see us. We will see you soon. Bye.